Hello and welcome back to my video. After a long and tough debate, I finally brought home the Bulgari bag. As you may know, Bulgari is a famous fine jewelry and watchmaker, but it is also famous for its colorful leather goods. So in this video, I'm going to show you the results of a marriage between the fine jewelry and leather goods of this luxurious brand. A little hint, the spotlight of this video is in one of them. I had a relatively long decision-making process for which of the Bulgari Serpenti Forever bag I'm going to bring home. Because the colorful leather is a big factor, as well as the different sizes and compartments that these different variations offer. So I'm going to show you my final verdict here. I must mention that even the shopping bag and packaging of Bulgari gives you a luxurious feeling. Just look at the imprinted gold fonts as well as the texture of the paper shopping bag. It's the same with the boxes and even the paper folder and envelopes I'm going to show you later. So in this luxurious bronze gold shopping bag is a raincoat for my, the paper shopping bag. I guess it's worth the extra protection when they have put extra thoughts and effort into making such luxurious looking paper bag. It was about to rain when I walked out of the shop, so they have given this to me just in case, but I end up not needing to use this. This is the paper folder that I mentioned. Also with the shiny texture, and this holds my receipts. I mean, it almost looks like an invitation card for some kind of high-end party or banquet. Here comes the box. It's actually quite heavy. The sales associate has stuffed my box with tissue paper, and he has given me an extra plastic foam bag on top of the dust bag because I was very concerned about protecting the snag emblem. This is a very good quality dust bag. Look at the strings too. This is my Bulgari Serpenti Forever shoulder bag. This is a classic medium size, measures to 27.5 cm long, 18 cm in height, and 7 cm in depth. The most signature piece of this bag is the snakehead closure. It is in light gold with hand-painted white and black enamel, and the green eyes are malachite. There are 4 hoops on the top of the bag for the chain to be worn either on a double chain or single chain. When you snap this open, you can see the end of the chain. There are 2 gussets, again stuffed with tissue paper. There is a pocket on the outside and then a zipped pocket in the back. There is also a small slot here, which is where the mirror should be. All their bags comes with a mirror, and for mine it's not here because they have taken it out in the store to get my initials hot stamped onto the back of the mirror. But I managed to take a quick video of it while I was in store. So the compact mirror is on a bronze gold setting. The back of the mirror is leather. It's the same leather that matches my bag. According to the sales associate, the older version of this mirror has a plastic bag, but since they have changed this to a leather that matches the bag, customers can now enjoy complimentary hot stamping their initials on the side. I think this is one of the sweetest upgrades they have for this bag because it feels like a complete set with the bag, and also after hot stamping, I feel like this bag is personalized for me. The other side is the mirror, but it has a protective sticker to it right now. Another feature of this bag, which is different from its variation, where there is no middle pocket, is just one big opening, is that this little snake head zipper. It matches the big snake head closure. It's also hand-painted enamel, and the only difference are the sizes and that the green eye of this tiny version is not malachite but green enamel. When you close this, it actually dangles on the side of your bag, which is super cute. This is the side. The two guts structure actually helps with keeping the shape of the bag. The back of the bag is also very nice and elegant. I mean, if I didn't know about this bag, I would think that the bag is just nice enough to be carried as the front of a bag. The symmetry and stitching together with the smooth calf leather is just so nice. Also, I was told that there is a NFS feature located here. Look at the tiny snake head dangling on the side. The chain is also a masterpiece. It resembles the body of a snake. It is very shiny and smooth. It mimics the movement of a snake. I also heard from other reviews online that this chain will not catch your hair or clothes, but I have yet to try it on and see. But I'll let you know when I do my review video on this bag. These three items were in my bag when it came. The first is a raincoat. They even have raincoat for the shopping bag, so you must not be surprised that the bag comes with a raincoat as well. This is the care booklet. The envelope is just so nice. It is the same texture as the shopping bag, and it even says made in Italy. This is the authenticity card. It has a QR code on the card, and when I scan it with my phone, I can see the serial number of my bag and when and in which store was the security feature activated. As mentioned, it has a security feature called NFC, which is installed in the back of the bag. So the sales associate actually showed me in store that I can download their Bulgari Touch app and put my phone near the back of the bag, and it will sense that and brings me to a specific page. That is also one of the security features to check whether the bag is authentic if you didn't source it from their boutique directly. Like I said, this piece is a marriage of Bulgari's fine jewelry making skills and their leather goods craftsmanship. The snake head is literally a piece of jewelry featuring on the perfectly symmetrically carved smooth calf leather bag. The bag is so well made that none of the details is left unattended. You can see that they have paid attention to the slightest detail of the bag. Thanks for being here and unbox this with me. If you like my video or my style of review, please like and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram at DearLadyM to see some shots of the item and get sneak peeks of my upcoming videos. So I'll see you around.